go with my tikka masala, which I've got here, which is absolutely fabulous. It's really savoury, it's rich, it's all the things that you want from a tikka. And then like most of the yummy sort of gravy-based dishes that we saw in India, it doesn't come all built for you, you have to build it yourself. So I'm gonna make a raita to go with that, to help sort of temper that savouriness. I'm gonna put some oil in my pot, and I'm going to temper some mustard seeds in there. So once that oil gets nice and warm, I'm gonna put about a teaspoon of mustard seeds in there, and they'll start to pop. Once they start to pop, basically that means we've tempered them, and that's what I want. Put this into a bowl. And then in with that, I'm gonna put a little bit of mint. And then in with that mint, I'm gonna put some cucumber as well. The freshness of the mint, the freshness of the cucumber, the freshness of the Greek yogurt are all gonna balance out that really intense savouriness. And a teaspoon of mustard seeds. And you can hear them starting to pop already. You can actually see them popping. Cucumber, mustard seeds, and then that is my raita. So it's kind of a cooling condiment to go with those really savoury or quite warm curries, or again, a great way to freshen up or temper one of those really rich Indian dishes, which is the reason why most people love Indian food. It has heaps of flavour, it's really rich, it's really impactful, but you want something that's gonna sort of pare that back and help control that. Normally so you can eat more. Make your own raita at home, it's really simple, and it goes perfectly with those sort of dishes.